Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 8 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 7, Force, Friction and Sound. Video Part 2, Question number 21. If the same force is applied on a toy car, on which of the following it will move with maximum speed? Same force is applied on a toy car. ठीक है, तो वुडन सरफेस पे सबसे ज्यादा करेगा, या अनइवन सरफेस, या पॉलिश्ड मार्बल सरफेस, या ब्रिक वॉल. तो द सरफेस विच इज कंपेरेटिवली स्मूदर, जो सबसे ज्यादा स्मूथ होगा, उस पे आपका टॉय कार सबसे इजीली मूव करेगा, बिकॉज देयर विल बी द वेरी लेस फ्रिक्शन. ठीक है, तो सबसे स्मूदर सरफेस होगा आपका पॉलिश्ड मार्बल सरफेस. तो आंसर विल बी सी. 21 आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. Question number 22. Two boxes filled with books, one is of 2 kilogram and other is of 4 kilogram, are kept on a cemented floor. Which of them would require the larger force to move it from the rest position? एक 2 किलो की है स्टैक, बुक स्टैक, एंड दूसरी है 4 kg की. ठीक है, तो which will take more force? Obviously, whose weight is more? तो बॉक्स विद हैवियर वेट रिक्वायर मोर फोर्स. ठीक है, लाइटर में मोर फोर्स नहीं, बोथ रिक्वायर सेम फोर्स नहीं. तो 22nd आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. The maximum friction will be observed between two objects when one object which just tend to move over the surface of the other object. If any object is kept on some surface and it is about to move, just tend to move, then the friction is maximum. Because if your applied force overcome the frictional force, तो आपका applied force ज्यादा हो गया friction force से, then friction force is minimum. When the object is moving with a high speed, the friction force is minimum. And when the friction force is capable to stop the movement of your object, it means frictional force is maximum. तो टेंड टू मूव पर फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स आपके सबसे ज्यादा होंगे. वन ऑब्जेक्ट मूव्स स्लोली ओवर द अनदर सरफेस. अगर मूवमेंट हो गया तो लेस फ्रिक्शन, मूवमेंट हो गया तो लेस फ्रिक्शन. तो 23rd आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. P and Q are two forces applied on object O in the same direction. Then the resultant force on the object is. कोई एक ऑब्जेक्ट है आपका इधर और उसमें क्या है, सेम फोर्स पे लग रहा है, उस ऑब्जेक्ट पे सेम डायरेक्शन में फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स लग रहा है, तो इट मींस द फोर्स विल बी एडेड. तो P plus Q will be the answer. Okay, so 24 answer will be your option C. Question number 25. A list of mediums is given below. Wood, water, air, vacuum. In which of these mediums can sound can travel? तो sound आपका vacuum में बस नहीं जा सकता है, otherwise 1, 2, 3 will be the answer. Option B is the correct answer. 25th का आंसर होगा B. Come to the question number 26. 100 Pascal is equal to 1 Pascal equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So 100 Pascal means 100 Newton per meter square. Option C will be the correct answer. 26 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका C. Question number 27. As we go up in the atmosphere from the surface of the earth, the atmospheric pressure decreases due to decrease in dash of air above. तो due to decrease in the air, ऊपर जैसे जैसे आप जाओगे तो प्रेशर कम होता जा रहा है. तो ऐसा प्रेशर कम क्यों हो रहा है? ड्यू टू द डिक्रीज इन द एयर वेट. वेट कम होगा तो प्रेशर कम होगा. तो 27 आंसर इज द ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. While playing tug of war, we often feel that the rope is slipping through our hands. We rub oil on our hands too. So to increase the area of contact, increase the friction, decrease the friction, increase the pressure. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा आपका 28 का आंसर फ्रिक्शन इंक्रीज करने के लिए. तो 28 आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. Question number 29. Friction can be reduced by polishing the surface. Surface polish करोगे the surface will be smooth. तो yes. Greasing the surface. Surface में grease करेंगे तो it will make the surface more smoother. The friction will decrease. Using wheels, yes, rolling friction is comparatively lesser than the sliding friction. Answer will be your all of the above. 29th answer is option D. Question number 13. Ball bearing is used between the hub of wheel and axle to dash the friction, to reduce the friction, because this ball and bearing creates the rolling friction और इसलिए friction कम हो जाता है यहाँ पे. 38th answer will be option B. Question number 31. When a pencil is thrown upward, जैसे ये देखो ये ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, then its speed goes decreasing. Why? Due to the gravitational force. When you throw anything in the upward direction, earth pulls the object towards it, which reduces the speed of any object which is going above. That is the force applied by the earth, that is your gravitational force. So 31 answer will be option D. Question number 32. Drag force is applied by which of the following and in which direction? So what is the drag force actually? So drag force applied in the fluid. Drag force applied in the fluid. And in which direction it will be? So actually देखो यहाँ पर if the force is moving in this direction and the air is just frictional force in the object, on the object in the opposite of the motion of the direction. It always opposes the motion of the direction of the object on the fluid also. तो 32 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका D. Question number 33. If the amplitude of the vibration is doubled, then the loudness of the sound will become. Actually, amplitude of the direction is directly proportional to the square of the loudness of the sound. ठीक है, loudness का square. So if it is doubled, it means it is 2. So it will be your 4, because square of 2 is 4. So 4 times D will be the answer. 33 answer is option D. Question number 34. Frequency of vibration is directly proportional to. So frequency of the vibration is directly proportional to the pitch. जितना ज्यादा pitch उतनी ज्यादा frequency. जितना low pitch उतना low frequency. So 34th answer will be option C. Question number 35. Which one of the following is a high frequency wave? High frequency means, what is the frequency? Frequency means the number of vibration in unit time. So here number of vibration you can just count 1 and 2 waves only. Here is the maximum number of waves. So that's the more frequency. Unit time में ज़्यादा vibration हो रहा है. 35th answer will be option B. Question number 36. If we strike a wooden table with a steel spoon slightly, we hear a feeble sound, but if we hit the wooden table hard with steel spoon, a loud sound is heard because of amplitude of the vibration is high in case of loud sound. Correct? Amplitude of the vibration is low in case of feeble sound. It is also correct. Answer will be your both A and B. 36th answer is option C. Question number 37. Which one of the following statement is correct? Loudness of sound is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude of the vibration. It is correct. Sound can travel through vacuum. Not correct. Speed of sound is maximum in solid. Correct. The outer part of the ear is called ear canal. No, it is known as the pinnae. Pinnae. So 1 and 3 will be the correct, and it is in the option number C. The 37th answer is option C. Question number 38. Which one of the following is not the bone of the ear? Anvil is known as the incus bone. It is present. Hammer is your malleus bone. It is also, and stirrup is your steps bone. It is also present there. But the humerus bone, it is present in your hand. The upper part is known as 38th answer होगा आपका options not present. 39. Unit of measuring loudness is, it is your loudness decibel. If you watch cricket, so I think you heard what is the sound, sound of the stadium in this match. So they always speak the number in decibel कि इतने decibel का sound आ गया. So that is the measuring unit of the loudness, decibel. ठीक है. Question number 40. In order to increase the loudness of the sound, we need to increase the amplitude. Amplitude बढ़ाओगे तो loudness अपने आप बढ़ जाएगा. The 40th answer will be option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.